everyone, this is Sonic 3D Blast 2 back again. I am now on the Queens-bound W local train. We are at 14th Street, Union Square. The next stop is 23rd Street. Right now I'm in the process of helping some people get to 57th Street, 7th Avenue. Alright, we are now leaving 49th Street. The next stop is 57th Street, 7th Avenue. Alright, 57th Street, 7th Avenue.
Cool, thanks, Sonic Guy. We appreciate your help.
Alright, of course, man.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Fun subway ride in New York City.
Right. And that wraps up this adventure. This is Sonic 3D Blast Dude, and I'll see you in the next adventure.